So Rick, what trail are we on?
This one's called Homecourt. It's Kingman's first rock crawling trail. Dates back to the 80s. And it's just about 2 miles of wash, and we averaged about a third of a mile an hour today.
Oh my God.
Short little bit, and then you're going to be in low range for a while anyway, so, you know, up to you, but a big hill.
Look at how pretty it is. We are on the edge of a cliff. Oh! You okay, Jersey? Oh, fuck. I hate being off camber. You okay, Jersey?
We're veering left at the bottom of the hill, and we'll hit a little roller coaster thing here.
Oh, joy. Pretty good, huh? No screaming or yelling?
We have roughly 5,000–6,000 miles of two tracks in this area.
Wow.
But also we have all these washes are open, and they're all legal. You know, any navigable wash is legal in this area. Well, we drove it. It's navigable.
Yes, barely. For me, barely.
Right. It doesn't matter. We did it.
Right.
So it's navigable, and that makes it a legal road here.
just like that at Roush Creek. So there's the rock garden, and then I've never been on, and then there's a trail that parallels it. It's through like a rocky creek that is kind of similar, but it's flat. This was uphill. I just said, oh my God.
We're almost there.
I just don't like being that close to the rocks.
Keep it straight. Easy, little left. Turn it, passenger, there. Now straighten it out again. How's that side?
Tight, but it's good.
5 different ways to clear this spot here.
Right.
I picked the one that looked good to me, and then you guys
Farm
pretty
brake
much
fluid.
followed.
Yeah.
But you didn't do the last part the way I did. But you know, some of these, there's lots of choices, but as we get up here further, some of the obstacles we don't get bypasses. We don't have any choice. You got to go through them.
And it totally is in there.
But they're not like what the orange guy just went up.
And
Well,
then,
no, because none of us can do that except the orange guy.
so,
Don't go.
A lot right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's in there. That is gone inside.
Oops.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a Carnage situation. Yeah.
That's actual carnage. I'm gonna have to make sure.
Got to cover that up.
Gotta get that. Ooh, it's a big dent in there.
That's what I just said.
Yeah.
yeah, you can see
Yeah.
it from back here.
Woo!
Yeah.
Corner guard time.
Yeah.
Oh,
Get you
yeah.
some armor on you. You'll
Yep.
be good.
You want the armor.
I don't air down as much because I worried about losing the bead.
It's hard, yeah.
It wasn't the bead that was the problem. I tore a valve stem. Colby Valve came to the rescue. You can see the full story, the winching, the tire pop, and the Colby Valve install at AZ Westside Wheelers on YouTube. The link is in the description below. Go about 20 minutes and 45 seconds into the video and you can see the whole story. Thanks, AZ Westside Wheelers. I did pretty good. I had a few.
You did fine. First time on this trail is always hard.
Right.
This is a hard trail for people who've been driving it for a long time. I've driven it dozens of times. I reopened this trail after it had been closed, and I still have spots where I struggle and fight and have to do them 2-3 times. You know, you saw the one spot I hit it twice. I went back and said, "Okay, that's it. I'm taking the bypass."
Right.
You know.
The sticker you gave me.
So I was trying to.
Yeah.
That just doesn't get handed out to anybody.
No, Carnage crew, you got to do something that's gonna hold us up, and it's gonna be real damage, not a flat tire. Flat tires don't get Carnage crew stickers.
Okay, even popping a bead, that's
No. That's not really breaking anything. That's just a flat tire. But when you start having car parts come off,
yes.
or you can see bare metal in spot.
Right.
Joe put a dent in his door. You ripped a couple of things up.
Don't tell anyone. It was an honor to wheel with the big boys in Kingman, Arizona, and I proudly displayed my Carnage Crew sticker on my Rubicon.